Championships and successes are achieved by teams. Championship teams are not composed of superstars at every position. Everyone comes with their own skills and talents to complement their teammates. Parents are the most knowledgeable about their children, their strengths, habits, and needs. As parents, we are thrown into a whole new community of professionals who become part of your child's team. It is critical that all members of a child's team collaborate to ensure the continuity of care. Best possible scenario is a specialized program that has a team of these professionals working closely with parents being an integral part of the team. The key to remember, parents, you are the experts on your children, and you always will be the primary facilitators of your children's language. You have the opportunity to gain from all the areas of expertise of your child's team. And remember, you are an integral, primary part of your child's team. Parents have traveled far and wide to get one expert here and another expert there, but if they don't work together, it will be a disjointed intervention. A highly qualified team of experts who works together with you, becoming a part of your extended family, will ensure success. Championships and successes are achieved by teams.